Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Coweta County in west-central Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Peachtree City, Oregon, 8 miles west of Fayetteville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Palmetto, Sonoy, Canongate, Sandy Creek, and Thomas Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service